body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. Ah. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
So thank you so much for visiting my channel today. So this is Hedy or Hedy, Hedy, however you want to say it, H-E-D-Y, D-Y, and it's in the color Sandy Blonde. Alright, so I'm going to tell you everything that I think about this wig, okay? So first of all, I will say, I'm going to start off with my cons first. First of all, it's dense in the front. It is too dense in the front. Like, I really like it when a wig has more lace so that you can, first of all, lay it down right without having to actually cut just like empty lace. You know, I like for it to actually have like some more lace with hair on it so that you can lay it down right. And then also so you can pre-pluck it if needed. So this one did have a really nice part, though. As you can see, it looks very natural. I don't have to pluck it or anything. I did add some concealer on the part, but other than that, good to go. This front part does look pretty natural. The baby hairs are pretty natural. They were a little long to be able to like style, but I will say that they were like natural wispy hairs, you know, like new growth kind of look. I went ahead and added some sideburns and just kind of some like hairs, because not everyone has one perfect length. Most people have some shorter hairs here and there, so I wanted to give it that look. And to try to hide the density part of the front, you know, I went ahead and I put these pieces behind the ear and then just kind of left out like those wispies, to try to play it off kind of like a less dense front hairline, to make him look more natural. I think the color is super cool. I like the dark roux on this. It's a very natural color up here. It's not dark black, it's not just brown, it's a very natural color. And then it goes into an ash blonde, kind of like a golden ash blonde. It's not too cool toned, but it's not too yellow, if you get what I mean. I don't think it's as white as it looks on the stock card. I feel like on the stock card it looks lighter, but it's cool. Let me see. The colors that this comes in is 1B, 2. Okay, amber red, honey blonde, sandy blonde, toffee cream, and this is the sandy blonde. So, but what you see right here in the monitor is what the color is. This is the real deal color in real life. It doesn't look different on the monitor. So the density is not too thick at all. It's kind of more on the thinner side, honestly. It did have knots, so I didn't like that. It has had some shedding, but it's cute, you know? I mean, regardless, I like the way that it looks. I think it looks sexy. Let's go ahead and look at the back, though. I haven't seen the back, so we're gonna see the back together. So that's like if I was to have it to the front. I will say she's a little bit more on the snug side, but she will fit a bigger head. I didn't like the way that it didn't come all the way up front just easily. And I have a medium sized hand, so that kind of tells me something. Honestly, I would prefer to wear this glueless, and you can wear it glueless because when I first put it on, it really did blend in just fine without any spray or any glue at all. So you'll be fine there. This could be an everyday wig. You just gotta play around with it. You know, I kind of like when things you could, like for example, like when you can wear wigs glueless, because then you can wear them every day. You can just like put it on and glow. That's my favorite kind. Okay, it's like, yo, you could be a baddie in 10 seconds. Let's do it. Why not? So, let me see what else. So she does tangle. Like right now, I keep getting a snag. I don't know what's up with that. Like honestly, why is it tangling so much? The texture of the hair feels really just yummy. It feels like a really soft, yucky texture. It's not silky, but it's yucky, but not like textured yucky. You know what I'm saying? Not like that. And it is soft. It's soft. It's a good length too, natural looking, as you can see. There's a natural looking length. And it has some of its own layers added into it. You know, as a blonde wig, I definitely think that it's a beautiful blonde wig. Definitely multiracial, will look good on many different skin tones. I think the look of it, once you work it and everything, you know, if you follow the steps in my video, you could work it too. It looks bomb, okay? It looks good. Will it last? It's gonna tangle on you. It's a synthetic, so you know, but it's for the look in the moment. So if you want to enjoy it for the moment, you can get it. You know, it looks beautiful. It looks really, really beautiful. I mean, I'm liking the way I look right now. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you like it too. Would you try out this blonde? Have you ever tried out a blonde before? See right there, there's like a snag around here that it's just there. Let me know what you think about the wig. Let me know if you like it too. And would you ever rock a color like this? And I hope you have a wonderful night or wonderful day whenever you're seeing this. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to grow my channel. I'm just a regular girl, you know, just like you. So I got you when it comes to wigs. I'm always going to give an honest opinion, and you're going to see what it looks like on a regular girl that knows how to do regular stuff pretty much. I mean, I could finesse them or whatever. So if I could finesse it, you could finesse it too. Okay? And we'll learn together. Anyways, if you have any recommendations for me on a really good blonde wig, let me know, because I love to try wigs. So hook me up. Hook me up. I got you. You got me. You know, we got each other's back here. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and share. All right. Thank you. Bye. Much love.